Hello everybody, I'm coming to you almost live from the west edge of Albuquerque, New Mexico at Enchanted Trails RV Park. This is one of our favorite places to stop when we're coming through Albuquerque. Not only are they a full-service RV park, they also have this wonderful collection of vintage trailers and cars. They used to rent these out, but they took quite a beating that way, so they don't rent them out for overnight anymore. But if you ask nicely, they will give you the keys and you can take a look inside. Let's go take a look inside one of them. Hi, Jess. This is a really neat example of RVing from the classic days of American road tripping, 50s and 60s. You can see they had regular appliances a lot of times, not the ultra compact stuff that they have nowadays. And they're actually really quite spacious, but certainly not filled with electronics like modern RVs are. How'd you like to go RVing with a full pair of recliners? Some of these have recliners, like that big one across the way has even more space than this one. Like I said, the Enchanted Trails has full service for RVers. They've got a great big community building there with services like laundry and a community room with a pool table. And even if you're not an RVer or an EVer that needs to charge here, you can come to the Enchanted Trails and go into their gift shop, which is filled with some amazing stuff, including local foods and Route 66 books and memorabilia. We come here every time and walk out with our wallets a little lighter from all the great stuff that we get at the Enchanted Trails gift shop. So anytime you're coming through Albuquerque, it's on Route 66 at the west edge of Albuquerque before you go into the city proper. So stop by. We'll see you guys out on the road.